Today we're in one of our South Burlington projects that we've completed. We actually redid the entire main floor on this house. We switched the location of the kitchen from one side of the house to the other, and we also removed a significant load-bearing wall. So we'll take you through that and show you all the features in the kitchen and the rest of the floor. Where we are right now actually used to be the kitchen, which we've sent to the other side of the house where we removed the load-bearing wall. We had to put a column in the basement and a post on the main floor holding up the second floor, and we were able to remove this wall and install this gorgeous kitchen. Here we have a pull-out where you would have your garbage, recycling, and green bin storage. We have a beverage fridge for all sorts of fancy beverages. On this side is a dishwasher, full front panel matching the rest of the kitchen. In large bank drawers here, and in these drawers we have inserts for cutlery dividers. This is a spice rack pullout. Nice 6-burner stove. This drawer actually has a knife block in it with some more tray dividers. A unique feature where we have a blind corner and a little insert that we can install in cabinet so that you get full use of the whole cabinet. Some tray dividers and some shelving, which make the cabinet a little more useful. One of the things a lot of people like about pantry cabinets is the pullouts that we put inside them. So here you can have a pullout in a pantry so you can use the full depth of the cabinet and not have to reach back there.